Yo, what's up, guys? You're watching Dev and this is the second tutorial of my channel. And I've uploaded it late, so I'm really sorry about that. And today we're going to talk about Python. Last video I talked about C. That was the first tutorial how to get set up. This tutorial I'm going to talk about Python, and we're rocking the Windows XP logo here. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to need to open your browser, and the IDE I'm going to use for this for Python basically is VS Code, and you could use any IDE if you research more, but just in this case I'm just going to use VS Code because I love VS Code and it's honestly like the best for Python programming. So first you're gonna want to install VS Code. Just try to install VS Code, and visualstudio.com link will open, and you have to just install VS Code for Windows. That's pretty straightforward. But the main thing we're going to do now is install Python. And the easiest thing to do that is by just going to python.org, download / and you can download Python 3.8, which is the latest version. And once you've downloaded this file, it will be saved on your system, and it'll be very easy to use. And if you want to research more, you can watch other YouTube videos. So once you have Python installed, all you gotta do is go here, and you will need to go to, I think, C programs, and you will need to find Python. I don't know where Python is right now, so this is a little bad, but I'm pretty sure I'll find Python somehow. These are previous projects. I'm really sorry. Yeah, so basically you will find a Python folder here, and you are going to go to this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and as you can see, there will be all these environment variables. What you have to do is go to the one where your Java is or any other thing is, and you're gonna choose that, and basically you can add your Python path to this. And adding Python path is basically just selecting your bin folder and adding it to the path. So this should be quite easy. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna assume that you have everything set up and ready to go, and I'm just gonna start off with basics of Python and how you can actually set it up on VS Code. So here I have VS Code. I was actually writing some other Python code, so let's just go to a new file, and I'm just gonna call this first I'm gonna save this, and I'm just gonna call this lol. I don't know why I'm just gonna call it .py. Python files are saved by the extension py, so whenever you're saving a file, you can probably name it that. And we have a lol.py. So how is this interface set up? Here you have a window right here, and this is a terminal. This is the debug console. It tells you what errors you have got. This was from my previous project, and this is basically the output, which is pretty unnecessary, and the terminal will just show you everything. Okay, so now how do you run anything? There will be this debug option, and you're gonna click on the star button, and it's gonna say Python file, and you're gonna click on that, and it's gonna run. Right now we don't have anything in this file, so it just finishes real quick. But to actually work with Python, you need to go to extensions. There will be like 4 blocks and 1 block taken apart, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for Python. Yeah, you just have to search for Python, and you will see the first thing that comes up, Python by Microsoft, and you have to install this package, and it will be in use automatically. And then what you need is autosave. Autosave is really important, so you're gonna type autosave, and basically I don't have autosave right now. I'm just gonna do that. Wait, autosave, and basically So if you install this autosave, what it will do is automatically save your files while you're writing the code. Okay, so while this is happening, why don't we just get started with, a basic print statement in Python, and that is the most straightforward thing to do. You just have to write print. And see, after installing that package, what really happened is when I write P or R, it already gives me a print. It already gives me suggestions, so I can just click on enter and the print will just come out. Open parentheses, close parentheses, and inside that I can just write anything I want. Obviously, going with the most generic hello world. And as you can see, this is auto save, so I don't need to save it. So I just can click on run and select Python file, and this should pretty much work. And as you can see on the terminal, I printed hello world. Output, I'm not sure if it would do anything. Yeah, it just takes me to the terminal and prints out hello world again. So Python is very easy. So yeah, so this was basically a basic setup, and next video I'm going to tell you how to actually start off with Python, the variables and other stuff. So thank you for watching this. See you next time.